So you know how to install Oracle Server? Are you sure? How do you install Oracle Server? Observe me. Observe me. How do you install? Next. Double click or next. So same thing, MySQL also. While installing MySQL, you need to remember two things. Yeah? You remember once you install JDK into your computer, after JDK installation, you need to set the path. What is the reason? What is the reason for setting the path after installation? Huh?
The system should know where the software is installed.
It's a very valid question, very basic question. Why you are supposed to set the path after installation of the JDK?
Their applications.
Kind of correct. Listen to this very carefully. There are many special softwares. Once you install that into your computer, they need JDK or JRE. Clear with this? I'll repeat. Once you install many special softwares into your computer, they need JRE to be present in your computer. JRE is the part of JDK, right? So, if it doesn't find the JRE, it will not work. If that software does not find the JRE, then it will not work. Clear with this? If you want that software to work properly in your system, then JRE must be present. A simple example I'll give. I install one of the server called JBoss. I install one of the server called JBoss into a computer. First in your computer, I install JDK. So JDK is present. JDK is present in your computer. Yeah? Maybe in